Hi, I'm Adam McWilliam. I'm a telemetry data operator here at the Bombardier Flight Test Center in Mirabel. The antenna that you see here behind me, and actually the little one just beside it as well, is one of 3 antennas that we use here on a daily basis for our flight test program with the C-Series. The large one is for tracking aircraft in the air, and we have a similar one at the far end of the airfield which you can't see. The small one is dedicated for on-ground tests. So these telemetry antennas allow us to receive from the aircraft critical information and engineering information for the analysis of the tests that are undergoing by a team of engineers here on the ground that support the pilots and the flight crew while they're in the air. That information can include all kinds of things, data such as control surface positions, engine temperatures, pressure, air data, speed, heading, GPS coordinates, and as well as a number of critical system health monitoring parameters that allow us to make sure the aircraft is operating smoothly at all points during the test. So on board our C-Series flight test vehicles, in addition to the 2 pilot positions that we have, there's also stations for our flight test engineers, avionics, propulsion, and any other disciplines that are required for a given test. That's not a lot of people to monitor an entire aircraft during tests, so what telemetry affords us the ability to do is to monitor and support the aircraft with a full engineering team here on the ground. A typical day of flight testing here at Mirabel usually starts the night before, when the ground maintenance crews and all of the technicians prepare the aircraft for release in the morning. Release of the aircraft is scheduled for 6 a.m., at which point technical briefings will occur with the crew and all of the relevant participating parties, and then around 7 or 8 we usually push the aircraft outside with the crew in order to verify all of the systems and start the pre-flight checklists. At this point my job usually begins, where we start up telemetry, verify the system, and as well as check out all of the systems on the aircraft with the engineers on the ground. Once all of the systems have checked out, all of the engineers are happy, then the flight test engineer in charge of the operations will give the flight crew the go-ahead. They'll taxi the aircraft out and complete the rest of the flight test. At this point, it's my job to keep the antenna pointed at the aircraft throughout the duration of its flight to make sure that that critical data that the engineers need for every second of the flight is uninterrupted. This would normally seem like an easy job, except that we have, especially in this area, a number of magnetic anomalies around us which prevent automatic tracking of the aircraft at all times. So an operator needs to be vigilant and keeping the antenna pointed where it needs to be in the sky so that there is no interruption in the data. Once the aircraft returns home, that's when the real data analysis starts, and it's also where the second part of my job begins. With the aircraft returned to the hangar, the tapes from the recording systems on board are brought back to the ground station, where we download and back up all of the data to keep it safe, and then we make it available to all of the engineers within the organization to perform their detailed analysis, which they'll use to help certify the aircraft for flight and commercial operations.